Hello students, let us see this problem from TFIR 2022 question paper, section B, problem number is 37. So this is basically error analysis problem. So in this question, they have given you a planet star system. So mass of the star is capital M and the planet mass is denoted by small m. And now the question says if you try to measure the velocity of small m, then the variation in the amplitude, variation in the velocity amplitude is given by this expression. Okay, and now the error in the when you measure the error in the mass and A is given as 3%, and as well as you are doing measurement at a particular temperature, for that also the error in the T also is given as a 2.5%. Now this says if I measure the small m, what will the error in the measurement of small m? So here let us calculate. So your m can be given by as A m power 2 by 3, and this is T 2 pi gm 1 by 3. Okay. Now this I can consider just C. So I can also write m as constant C A m power 2 by 3 T power 1 by 3. So obviously now your m depends on A, capital M, and temperature T. Okay. So the variance, the error in the measurement of m in percentage is given by this error in the measurement of m, that is the variance delta m given by delta m by delta square, because m depend on A, m, and T. So I can use this expression to calculate delta m, assuming there is no correlation between A, m, and T, because no relation is given between separate relation given between A, m, and T. So they are independent errors. So they will propagate as by this formula. So let us calculate now these values. So now I can write that delta m upon delta A. So this is given by, say, C m power 2 by 3 T power 1 by 3. Okay, and this again I can write, this is what, if I multiply and divide by A, so this will become what? This will become again, this is your m. Okay, so this become m by A. Similarly, if I calculate, say, delta m upon capital M, so this will give me what? C A 2 by 3 m power 2 by 3 minus 1 T, all T is independent of m. So it will be like this only. So now if we solve this one, this will give me what? If I multiply by m and divide by m, so this will come out 2 by 3 C A, again m power 2 by 3. Okay, T power 1 by 3 divided by capital M. Now this is your again small m, and this is your capital M. Similarly, I can find now delta m by delta T. So delta m by delta T will be again the same thing. C A m power 2 by 3, 1 by 3 will come again. So T power 1 by 3 minus 1. Again multiply by and divide by T. So this will come out 1 by 3 C A. So again this will become what? If you again this becomes small m. So this come 1 by 3 small m T. Now put the value here. So we put these values here. We will get what? Delta m by A. The value is given by what? Delta m by A. So the value is given by m by A. So this will become m square delta A upon A square. Here delta m by m is 2 by 3. So I can add 2 by 3. Okay. Of course, m square 2 by 3 will become 4 by 9. 4 by 9, and capital M square will go here. So this is capital M. So delta m upon capital M square, and similarly I can write here delta m by 1/3, so 1/9, and then this will become m square, okay, and this is your delta t by t whole square. Okay. Now if I can take m square common from here, okay, you can take m square common and it will go here. So this will become now, if I solve this one, so this will become now delta m upon m, okay, will be equal to your delta a by a square plus 4/9 delta m upon m square, and this is your 1/9 delta t upon t square. Okay. Now we have been given delta a by 0.03, 3%, 4/9 is also 3%, and this is 1/9, this is 0.0, so 2.5%. So this is, you can use this, now you can calculate the percentage change, percentage error in small m. So percentage error in small m, delta m into 100, okay. So this is 100 into this come 9 upon 10 raised to power 4 plus 4/9, this come 9 upon 10 raised to power 4 here, and this is again 1/9, and this is, if you solve this one, how much it becomes? This is basically 1/40, okay. So 1/40 square. You can write here 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, how much it becomes? 6.25, 6.25, 6.25 divided by 10 raised to power 4. Okay. Let us calculate now and solve this one. So if you solve this, so 10 raised to power 10, I can take common. So this will give me what? This will give me only 9. 9 cancel. So this will give me 4, 13. Okay. And here this is 6.25. 1/9, 6.25. Again 100. So now we can solve this one. So this is 4 times and this is 25. So this gives me 9 plus 4 plus 25 upon 36. Okay, this becomes out some 13 point something. And if I solve this one, the error will come around 3.7%. Okay, and this is given as the option A in the question, and option A is the correct answer for this question. Thank you very much.